Hi everyone, my name is Mark and welcome to Brew Better. Today, I will be brewing a coffee from Philippines, Finca De Garces, and it's a Bourbon varietal. For my brewer of choice, it's a Kono dripper. For today, I'll be using a grind size of 8 from EK43S. And for my recipe, I'll be using 13 grams of coffee to 180 ml of hot water with a brew temp of 94 degrees Celsius with a TDS of 50 parts per million. So let's start brewing. For my first pour, I'll be adding 60 ml of hot water. Finca De Garces is located at New Eden, Pangantucan, Bukidnon, a fundemic project started by the Garces family, namely Manolito, Gemma, and their son, Bords Garces. This coffee is processed using the wash processing method where the beans are depulped and then fermented to remove the mucilage. And then these coffees are then dried at concrete patios or Indian raised drying beds. The last two steps for the wash processing method are the resting and hulling before they are packed in burlap sack. My expected brew time for this recipe is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So the reason why I use a tighter ratio is in order to have a more balanced cup of coffee where the characteristics are all even. And when I tried different brew temperatures, I found out that 94 degrees Celsius gave me the best extraction. Now that our coffee is ready, it's time to enjoy it. For its aroma, I got prunes and a sweet aroma reminiscent of sugarcane. For its taste, I got an orange-like acidity, followed by prune, and a milk chocolate finish. Always remember that the best coffee is the one that you enjoy. Feel free to share with us your experience with the coffee, and cheers, don't stop brewing.